In this video, super quick, I'm gonna break down a few essential campaigns that you should probably be sending in Klaviyo right now that you probably are not sending. I feel like most people think email campaigns should only be used to promote products and promote things like flash sales, which are obviously important and part of the puzzle, but not the only piece. Stay tuned for this quick inspiration for your email campaigns, for your e-commerce brand. Let's go. Alright guys, so straight to the point, I'm going to jump inside my actual Klaviyo account for my main e-commerce brand and just show you a few things that we've recently been sending. A lot of people ask us if we run our own email marketing, and we used to. And it was effective and it was lean and we weren't losing money at all with agencies and whatnot, but we realized after a small period of time, once we began growing, that agencies are almost essential at one point or another. Like replacing yourself pretty much everywhere at one point or another is pretty much essential to really just growing and scaling like your e-com brand like big. So when you're starting, no, don't get an agency unless you're already balling. If you're on a tight budget, I would not recommend it. But then once you start scaling, you're doing 50K a month, 100K a month, you're starting to go up there, then get an agency because they're just gonna do a better job than you, and then it frees up your time to focus more on Facebook, which I feel like most founders are most skilled at with e-commerce brands, is the whole Facebook side of things. So there's more Facebook videos on our channel, but about email marketing, let's jump right into my computer right now. So I'm just gonna look at my dashboard first. I think that a good benchmark for most people to aim for is somewhere between 12% to 25% of email revenue from Klaviyo. Some brands it's gonna be different, especially if you're in a lower ticket kind of niche. You'd be surprised how you can get up to like the 30% kind of range with Klaviyo marketing, but I think a general standard is somewhere between 12 to 20%, 25%, so aim for that. The first email kind of topic that I'd recommend you start sending out is just social proof campaigns. And so all you truly need to do for this, and you can see this across many big brands that you're probably subscribed to, they're gonna send you emails just about people who have joined their ambassador program, people that have just simply chosen to affiliate themselves with that current brand, and they're going to amplify that to your inbox because chances are you're not a paying customer yet. And so they're just going to send you stuff with simple headlines like why people choose us, why people shop with us, why you should shop with us, why 10,500 people have shop with us and tried our super water bottle. All those kinds of things are just gonna, even if they don't place an order on that campaign, which I feel like is another big misconception, that you have to place an order every single time you get a campaign. No, some of them are just to establish trust and warm them up a little bit so that when you do hit them with the next kind of campaign style I like, then they're going to convert. And that next style is simply flash sales. If you're having a big flash sale on a special event, I want to say Black Friday, but maybe not, even just a regular flash sale, which I think every brand should have at least once every month or two, just to move inventory and just really get more email marketing from Klaviyo. That's a good time to send email campaigns, text campaigns. Attentive is super powerful with this for SMS marketing, but Klaviyo does it the best by far for email marketing. They give you so much analytics, and these campaigns are simple. You design them nicely, you promote your top selling products, you offer a discount code to your email subscribers, and that's pretty much it. That's all we do. On the last social proof campaign, we got an 18.3% open rate and a couple orders. And we weren't even looking for orders. We got that much revenue. And then on the other hand, we have a flash sale here, a little bit lower open rate, but also some more revenue. You can see we do flash sales. We'll send a flash sale, then we'll do a resend afterwards. So there's a couple here, but it's always smart to small little tip. Once you send that first campaign, wait between 8 to 24 hours and then resend to people that didn't open it, and change the subject line, maybe offer them a little bit more of an incentive. Really gonna work out for you. So just to recap, number one, send out at least 1 or 2 social proof campaigns a month. Number two, please make sure that you are sending out all kinds of flash sale campaigns, again, at least 1 or 2 a month. You don't want to oversend, and we had that mistake as well where we were sending so many emails up front, almost every single day, and that can actually ruin your reputation on Klaviyo with your whole IP and your address. It gets pretty technical, but definitely follow those two. And then the last one coming up right now is pretty much regarding any big kind of event. So if you're in a woman's kind of niche, for example, you can see right down here, we had an International Women's Day sale, or not a sale, it was just a simple International Women's Day campaign saying how, hey, our brand appreciates you, you deserve to be taken care of, taken seriously, respected, etc. And just that alone, it gave us some revenue, but that's not really the part of this either. It's just to establish that trust and again, warm them up so that when you do send those campaigns for the flash sales, for the Black Friday sales, all that stuff, you are getting a cheaper cost per lead and people are actually clicking and buying. These campaigns are huge, you're gonna warm people up. And some popular events that almost any e-com brand should pretty much send for is like Christmas, Easter. If you want to get super creative, you should take your customers' birthdays somehow and send them emails on their birthdays. I know a great example was this one pet e-commerce brand that sells direct to customer. They would get all of their customers' pets' birthdays, and on the pet's birthdays, send them some kind of postcard or like simple like dog, toy, or treat, whatever it may have been. It's just genius. Like you just stick at the top of your mind of your customer always. It's just really insane. So that's not something we've done yet, but just came to my mind right now. Birthdays, any kind of massive event, any kind of anything really, like 420 is coming up for April, so if you're in that kind of niche, somehow you can incorporate it, do it. April Fools was a great one. Those are kind of the 3 that we follow, and I don't know how much results I'm going to show here in Klaviyo, but they've worked quite well for us. It warms the customer up. I'm not going to talk too much about acquiring like an email list and how to get like good pop-ups there, but like a few rule of thumbs is Willio. If you want lower quality leads, you can use Willio like we used to in the past, or you can just use a simple pop-up from Klaviyo. Don't use their basic designs. I have to say design it in Photoshop and bring it in, make it all like nice and pretty, and you should be getting at least a 5% sign-up rate on that. Anything higher is just amazing, especially on mobile. They have all these analytics for you. And that's pretty much it. Just to recap, social proof campaigns, flash sale campaigns, and any kind of special holiday event, even if it was very recent and something happened in the news where like a very big person may have passed away, or maybe, for example, like that, a greatest example was like International Women's Day or something to do with men, if you're in like a male niche, for example. Like those things are just gonna hit your customers' inboxes. They're gonna have pretty good open rates, and they're just gonna warm the customer up so that eventually when you do hit them with those campaigns saying, hey, buy from us, buy, sale, it's gonna work. I'm gonna do a separate video probably in the future on flows and how we think that welcome series is by far the most important flow, followed by the other ones like abandoned cart and browse abandonment. But in this video, I quickly covered the campaigns. Hopefully it was very insightful. If you did get any kind of inspiration from this, we'd really appreciate if you can just smash that thumbs up button or thumbs down button or subscribe or do all 3, whatever you want. We're putting a lot of work into our videos, a lot of high quality stuff we're invested in here, and we hope that we're just providing a lot of value to you guys. Discord server is linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.